Good day. Today we will be discussing about the environmental justice.
Introduction. Environmental justice is about ensuring that all people, regardless of their background, have the right to live in a clean and healthy environment. However, many communities, especially those that are poor or marginalized, suffer the most from pollution, climate change, and environmental destruction. Addressing environmental injustice requires both awareness and action. Even small steps such as reducing waste, conserving energy, and advocating for change can make a difference. As stewards of God's creation, we have a responsibility to care for the environment and support those who are most affected by these challenges. By doing so, we reflect God's love, justice, and compassion in the world.
How does this issue affect people, especially vulnerable or marginalized? Environmental injustice often affects the poor and marginalized the most. Many low-income communities live in areas with high pollution, unsafe drinking water, or limited access to clean air and green spaces. These conditions lead to health problems like asthma, heart disease, and other illnesses. When natural disasters such as floods, wildfires, or droughts occur, these communities often lack of resources to recover, making their struggles even worse.
How does it impact the environment? Pollution, deforestation, and climate change damage the earth in many ways. Air and water pollution harm animals and ecosystems, making it harder for plants and wildlife to survive. Deforestation leads to habitat loss, reducing biodiversity and contributing to climate change. Extreme weather events, rising sea levels, and loss of fertile land are all consequences of environmental destruction, making it difficult for both humans and animals to thrive.
What small actions can we take to address this issue? Even small changes can help protect the environment. We can reduce waste by recycling, using less plastic, and choosing reusable items. Saving energy by turning off lights, using public transportation, or walking instead of driving can lower pollution. Planting trees, supporting clean energy, and spreading awareness about the environmental issues can also make a difference. When communities work together, these small efforts add up to create a healthier and more sustainable world.
What might these actions contribute to advancing God's kingdom? Caring for the environment reflect God's love for his creation and his people. When we protect the earth, we show kindness and responsibility, ensuring that future generations have a safe and healthy place to live. Helping those who suffer from environmental injustice is a way to live out love, compassion, and justice. These actions bring hope, encourage unity, and reflect God's desire for a world where people care for each other and His creation.
To sum it up, environmental justice is not just about protecting the planet. It's about caring for people, especially those who are most vulnerable. Pollution, climate change, and habitat destruction harm both human communities and the natural world. But small actions can lead to big change. By making responsible choices and standing up for those affected by environmental injustice, we help create a healthier, fairer world. Most importantly, caring for the earth and those in need reflects God's love and His call for us to be good stewards of His creation.
So that's all for our issue discussion. Thank you for listening. Okay.